everyone. They have a wrong boat. Do you want to take a picture? Our boat number 8456. Right. Yeah, very easy for you. From here, 456. 456. Right. Wiedersehen. Muốn tự nhiên. Hawking. I'm Belgium. Flemish. Okay. No smoking.
Was the strongest typhoon since 20 years. Even more. Or more. Yeah. Can't read anything about it. So it's 450,000
jellyfish. A German guy. He tell me that one look like finger number 11. Very strong finger. But I see look like Talon, look like shotgun, look like shoot boom. Very strong finger, right? Because very special. Over here you can see look like dragon head. Can you see? Look like the mouth, nose, eye. On the top you can see look like the wing. Look like all together you can see look like dragon boat, sailing boat, right? Ladies and gentlemen. One by one, please.
Life jacket.
Is it necessary?
I think they said you have to, but I guess we can. There we go.
Yeah, it took me years to like it, but then I really like it.
touch the bottom. Really? Oh. Ah, I see it. Oh no!
Yes, look.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna get stuck.
We're stuck. What is your plan?
Don't get out because there's crocodile there, so.
I'm going to sleep here, guys. Yeah. See you next time. Next year.
Yay! We're at the beach. I hate jellyfish. If there's jellyfish, then I'm not swimming. You going in? Nah, you forgot your swimming shorts today.
I didn't get my shots before I came. I'm not sure.
Oh, really? Pussycat.
I bite you and then I kill you.
He said he didn't get his shots before he came, but
Really?
I don't think going in the sea is going to give you anything, is it? Unless you start drinking it. But
No, I don't think it's more for bites than
yeah.
You know.
I mean, I didn't get my rabies jab, but did you get your rabies?
I don't know actually. What? I just
Rabies
I
jab.
I think I have it. I got my doctor.
Rabies.
Like, do I need something?
You don't know what rabies is?
No.
Yeah, as a paramedic, it's from
I
animals.
don't know. It's in English, but it's German.
Oh, you do, but
you have it.
it's from the animal bite for animals.
So Tollwut.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not typhoid.
No, not that
Not
one.
type.
Not tetanus. No. Not tetanus. Something else as well. Yeah, I know. I knew. The animal bite you and then
Yeah.
that will die.
Yeah. Have you got that jab?
German Tollwut. Yeah.
Oh, you would because you probably on from
Can we go further or do we
Yeah, I haven't got it, so I can't go anywhere. No near animals. If animal comes to me, I'm running. I'm gone.
You will die if you get bite.
Yeah, I know.
If you get bite in your
Yeah.
neck, you have 20 minutes. And it means if you get bite here in your neck, you can go swimming because you die. Because he has no hospital in the near of 20 minutes.
Yeah. So they just push you in there and then bye.
Yeah.
At least you can be there. Say bye. That was interesting.
Oh, there you can sit in the shadow.
Ah,
Do it.
nice. We're on the beach. We're on the beach. Let's have a top off. It's bloody hot, mate.